Hello, how's it going? So today I want to go live real quick to talk about something that has completely changed the way that I approach food, energy, and digestion. And that is my 3-day detox. Have you ever done a detox before? Well, I created a little poll, so you'll have to let me know. All right, so if you're busy, bloated, and feeling blah, then this just might be a sign from your digestive system that it is ready for a reset. But first, let's clear up what this detox is not and address some common misconceptions. So, the first thing that people think of generally when they hear detox is starvation, extreme juice cleanses, and things of the like. Oh, and if you have some questions while we're going along, place them in the chat. So, for this, you think about calorie deprivation or fasting. This is not the case. You're going to be eating at least 3 square meals a day of warm, nourishing meals. You will not be hungry. If you are hungry, you're just going to eat, and it is that simple. For this, it is a customized approach. Yes, I'm giving you a structure, but I know that it is not a one size fits all, and I know that we all have different needs. So, this detox is eliminating what's aggravating your system and then building your system back up and giving it a structure and education to know what's working for you and what's not moving forward with the rest of your life. So it is structured, but it is guaranteed to educate you about the things that are supporting your body and the things that are a detriment to your body. And this is because we're going to be taking away those things that are to detriment, slowly adding back in, and seeing how you feel. So, what's inside my 3-day detox? So, the first day, we are really simplifying. We're taking it back to basics. So you actually have two tracks here. One is you could do a mono diet of all khichdi, which I'll explain later, or a chicken soup. You could do that for the whole 3 days, or you can take it all the way back down to this simplification of a kanji. And what is a kanji? Essentially, it is a rice porridge. It is an ancient food that is very, very easy for the body to digest. And that's exactly what we want here. We want to create ease in the body. We want to take the stress out of the digestive system so that it has a chance to heal. So the kanji is super easy to prepare, and you probably already have rice in your kitchen pantry. So super easy. If you don't, you can just grab some. Very simple, very easy. It's giving your digestion a break. So that's day one. You're just eating kanji. Day two, we are introducing a protein. Again, this could be khichdi, which is a bean and rice dish. I actually have a few different ones that are one pot meal, 20 minutes later, bada bing, bada boom, or I have recipes in my course portal. Anyway, it could be chicken and rice, or it could be like a bean and rice. So either way, day one is rice kanji. Day two is a protein and rice combination. Very simple and easy to make. I always recommend people do it in a crock pot, which just takes the thinking right out of it. Day three is when we begin to add back in vegetables, fiber, and getting your body to respond a little differently. So we're going to add in easy to digest vegetables, preferably ones that you already know agree with you, i.e. if you know that cabbage makes you fart, you're probably not going to add that in at this time. But if you know, that a zucchini or a squash or a carrot is fine, you'll probably go with that. And we'll talk about more of that later in depth. So each day, people notice a difference. I've had people do this detox because it's totally free, right? I've had people do this detox for just one day. I've had them do it for 2 days, all 3 days, and they see results in any combination of this. So it really depends on what you need and the depth in which you need to go. Now, I also know that some of you need accountability. And that is exactly why I've created the live version of my 3 day detox. And the live version is online. It is a small group of people, and we only do this 3 times a year. So, spring, fall, and New Year's. And so it's a small group of people. We get together for accountability, support, exchange, camaraderie. And so, if you're the type of person that knows that you need a little bit more accountability, the live version is for you. Now, I have also decided to take this to a whole new level and create a VIP tier. So that's right, there's a free version that you can do anytime, a live version which starts on March 16th, and the tickets actually just went up. And now we're creating a VIP level. So the VIP level gets all the things that the free detox does. You're joining us for the live, but you are also getting an additional group session. So there's only 5 spaces in the VIP section. And so the 5 people that join that will get an additional meeting with me post detox to help you reintegrate. You will also be getting a private one-on-one coaching session with me. And you will also be receiving not just a pouch of kitchery, but also this new detox broth that I got in that is considerable. It actually has over 10 servings in here. You just put it in a little hot water and you can sip it throughout the day. This is great for liver and gallbladder, which we need a little extra boost with in the spring. So 3 different layers of the detox, different options for different levels of commitment, different price ranges. And now I'd like to share you a little bit of a story. So this detox, your digestion impacts your overall health and energy. And I have found this out myself. So many of you can relate to taking a nap after Thanksgiving or eating a cheesesteak and then feeling, ugh, on the couch. Well, when your digestive system doesn't have to work as hard, you get more energy for your body to do all the other things that you want to do all the time, right? So, let me just check my notes here. When the body begins to heal, it can start taking the garbage out, taking all the things that are backed up. Now, your body naturally has these detox pathways, right? And so you don't have to do a detox. But the thing is, we're not constantly changing the oil in our body like we are with our car with precise regularity, and things get backed up. What I've really noticed here is puffiness reduction, i.e., fluid retention. So everybody notices something in their face. Most people lose 3. I've had people lose even up to 7 and 8 pounds just during this 3 days. That's it. But I also had a lady who stands up a lot for work. She does not have swelling in the beginning of the day, but by the end of the day, her feet and ankles are swollen. Well, by the end of the 3 day detox, she did not have this systemic swelling or inflammation at all. And I have heard similar stories from many other people. In addition, I also get significant reports of people's pain levels going down because when we eat foods that don't agree with us regularly, it creates more inflammation in the body. And this inflammation creates pain, soreness, stiffness, swelling, fatigue. Anybody that's had chronic pain knows it is exhausting. So, the detox is giving you a chance to reset. And this is really important this time of year, as in the winter we've been building, we've come through the holidays, we've been in hibernation, and in the spring, the everything just begins to shift, and it's time to wake up from hibernation, get things moving, lose that layer of stagnation and things that were keeping us warm through the winter. It is now time to shed like a bear in the spring. So I would encourage you to ask questions. Let me know if you have anything that you are concerned about or wondering about. If you'd like to join my detox, I have it pinned in the comments section. There is my website in the profile, which is elevate444.com, or I would be happy to send you a personal message. You can even call me on the phone if you would like. So I look forward to having each and every one of you at the right time doing your own version of this, the free version, the live version, which starts on the 16th. And that one is actually 4 days because the first day we're going over all the details, the planning, the structures, getting oriented, and then we'll be doing the 3 days together. We also have the detox tier, which there's only 5 spaces available, and only 3 times this is ever available all year. So don't walk, run to sign up right now because even the live version only has a limited amount of spaces. And so if you want accountability, expertise, and big results, go ahead and sign up for my 3 day detox right now. And thank you. I look forward to seeing you.